Search engine optimization, SEO, is a fundamental digital marketing strategy aimed at enhancing a website's visibility and ranking on search engine result pages, SERPs. The primary objective of SEO is to increase organic, non-paid, traffic to a website by optimizing its content, structure, and other elements to align with search engine algorithms and user intent. This comprehensive explanation of SEO covers its history, key components, best practices, and the evolving landscape of SEO in the digital era. Introduction to SEO. History of SEO. The concept of SEO dates back to the early days of the internet, where website owners and marketers sought ways to improve their websites' rankings on search engines. Over the years, search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo have evolved their algorithms to provide more relevant and useful results to users. Importance of SEO. In the modern digital landscape, search engines are the primary means through which users discover information, products, and services. As a result, having a strong presence on search engines is crucial for businesses and organizations to reach their target audience effectively. Search engine algorithms. Search engines use complex algorithms to determine the relevance and ranking of web pages on SERPs. These algorithms consider various factors, such as keyword relevance, website authority, user experience, and backlinks. 2. Key components of SEO. Keyword research. Keyword research is the foundation of SEO. It involves identifying relevant search terms and phrases that users enter into search engines when looking for information related to a specific topic, product, or service. On-page optimization. On-page optimization involves optimizing individual web pages to align with targeted keywords. This includes optimizing page titles, meta descriptions, headings, URL structure, and content. Content creation and optimization. High quality, relevant, and informative content is crucial for SEO success. Content should be tailored to meet user needs, answer their questions, and address their pain points. Technical SEO. Technical SEO focuses on optimizing website structure and back-end elements to improve crawlability, indexability, and website performance. This includes tasks like sitemap creation, robots.txt optimization, and site speed optimization. User experience, UX, optimization. User experience plays a vital role in SEO. Websites that offer a positive user experience, such as fast loading times, mobile friendliness, and easy navigation, tend to rank higher on search engines. Link building. Link building is the process of acquiring high-quality inbound links from other websites. Backlinks are an essential factor in search engine rankings, as they indicate a website's authority and credibility. 3. Best practices and strategies. White hat versus black hat SEO. SEO practices are categorized as either white hat, ethical, or black hat, unethical. White hat SEO focuses on following search engine guidelines, while black hat SEO involves using manipulative tactics to achieve higher rankings. Content marketing. Content marketing is closely tied to SEO. Creating valuable, shareable, and link-worthy content can attract natural backlinks and boost a website's authority. Local SEO. Local businesses can benefit from local SEO strategies, which involve optimizing their online presence for local searches, Google My Business listings, and customer reviews. Mobile SEO. Given the rise of mobile device usage, optimizing websites for mobile devices is essential for SEO success. Mobile-friendly websites tend to rank higher on mobile searches. Voice search optimization. The increasing adoption of voice-activated devices has led to the growth of voice search. Optimizing content for voice search queries can improve visibility on voice-enabled platforms like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Featured snippets and rich results. Featured snippets and rich results are enhanced SERP features that provide concise answers to user queries. Optimizing content for these features can increase visibility and drive more traffic. SEO and social media. Social media signals, such as likes, shares, and comments, can indirectly influence SEO rankings. Engaging social media presence can lead to increased brand exposure and improved organic rankings. 4. The evolving landscape of SEO. Algorithm updates. Search engines regularly update their algorithms to provide more relevant and user-friendly results. Major algorithm updates, like Google's Panda, Penguin, and RankBrain, have significantly impacted SEO strategies. Mobile-first indexing. Google's mobile-first indexing prioritizes mobile versions of websites for ranking. Websites need to ensure their mobile version offers the same content and user experience as the desktop version. Voice search and AI. The rise of voice search and AI-powered assistants has changed the way users interact with search engines. SEO strategies now need to account for natural language queries and conversational search. User intent and semantic search. Search engines now focus on understanding user intent and delivering results that match search queries' context and meaning. Optimizing for semantic search can improve search visibility. EAT, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. Google places a high emphasis on EAT when assessing the quality of websites, particularly in the context of YML, your money, your life, content. Visual search. Visual search technologies allow users to search using images. Optimizing images with alt tags and descriptive file names can enhance visibility in visual search results. Personalization. Search engines provide personalized search results based on user behavior and preferences. Tailoring content and user experience for specific audiences can enhance personalization. Conclusion. Search engine optimization, SEO, is an ever-evolving digital marketing strategy aimed at improving a website's visibility and ranking on search engine result pages. Effective SEO involves a combination of keyword research, on-page optimization, content creation, technical optimization, and link building. Keeping up with algorithm updates and the changing landscape of SEO is essential to maintaining a competitive online presence. By following best practices and staying informed about industry trends, businesses and organizations can leverage the power of SEO to connect with their target audience and drive organic traffic to their websites. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.